how to create card templates in Trello. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create card templates in Trello. Before I move further, I must inform you that creating card templates in Trello is very simple, and it is very good to create card templates so that you can streamline your workflow by providing a consistent structure for new cards. And here is how to do it. The first step is to log in into your Trello account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, the next thing to do is move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu displaying options like buttons, template, home, buttons, highlight, views, members, settings, etc. Just go ahead and click on buttons, and then on the bots page, open up a bot. And then after opening up a bot, you revert to the bots page. Then once you're on this page, the next step is to select the card that you don't want to make a template. After selecting the card, the action sections will be displayed. And then once this section has been displayed, you can see vacation, you can see other things about the card. And then once you can see, you scroll down until you can move, okay, until you can see actions by the lower right side of the box displayed. Once you can see this, the next step is to click on make template. Make template is located below copy and above both. Now once you click on make templates, you would see that there's a tick on the template, which means that this card is now a template. By the time you scroll up, you can see create card from templates. You can see this is a template card, and then you can now customize this card to suit your taste. All right, you can see you can click on create card from template, and then you can click on create card, and then just like that, a card has been created from this template. Notice that whenever you make a change to this particular template, the change will also be effected on all of the cards that you made from these templates. All right, so that is it. This is how you can create card templates. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.